Today I want to show you a method where you literally can just copy and paste. It's really that simple. You can do this working from home, in your boxers, traveling the world. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. But before that, if you like videos about making money online, online business and entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and join the Freedom family by clicking that notification bell. Also, if you want a free course where I teach you step by step how I make money online, you can get that free course down in the description. Now let's get into today's video. So today's method is really going to be as simple as copy and paste. It really doesn't take much skills at all, and you can do this very easily. You don't need technical skills. You don't need to be a very tech savvy guy, alright? So what this method consists of is digital arbitrage. It's basically finding a service online that's cheaper one place and then more expensive on another place, so you can earn the difference between those two platforms. This happens in crypto trading. This also happens in drop shipping a lot. It's really big in drop shipping. But today's method, we're gonna be talking about social signals, or likes, followers, reposts, whatever you might think about social media in general. And that's really simple. So if we go to SEOclerk.com, you can see that this is a website where they sell social signals. So for example, Facebook likes, Twitter likes, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Pinterest, whatever you want for a social platform, that's what you want to get here. But we're going to be a little bit smart, and we're going to do it the smart and easy way, so it's very easy for you to make some money through this method. So as you can see, we're on SEO Clerks right now, and we're going to sort this by rating. So the highest rated one we're going to sort by and see how is this like. So as you can see, high quality YouTube views. I would never ever suggest you guys sell YouTube views, because you will get your clients banned. You will not have a fun time selling YouTube views, because YouTube is cracking down on this very hard. So I really don't like this at all. So if we go down here, we can see okay, it's a lot of YouTube right here. But as you can see right here, add 1,000 fast profile followers. So let's go in here and see what they have. 1,000 super fast high quality profile followers in just $2. That's bad grammar right there. We would like to present you best deal for all social media accounts with SEO Clerks. What you get for $2. It doesn't really seem that it's $2. It seems like it's $3. So that's not very good. However, 1,000 followers is $3. So that means for Instagram, for Twitter, for Pinterest, maybe I would do this. I would not do this on YouTube. I highly don't recommend that you do this for YouTube, because they will crack down on you. And since Google owns YouTube, it's not a good deal to get, and buying YouTube views and YouTube followers is not a good thing to do, because you get banned very quickly. But as you can see, $3 for 1,000 followers is what the price is. It looks like the expected delivery of average of 2 days. Response time is 22 hours. Orders in progress, they have a lot of orders. 4,000 thumbs up and 1,000 recommendations. So it looks like this is a very legit offer, and it looks like a lot of people are buying this offer. So it looks like a good gig. Let's look at the comments. Good job. Okay, thanks. So what are we gonna do with this? Now we know that 1,000 followers costs $3. Well, we go to eBay, and as you can see, I'm on my eBay right now. I am in Norwegian, but let's just search Twitter followers. So you'll see this in Norwegian kroner, but as you can see, let's see at the first one right here. So Twitter followers, let's go here. Let's see if we can buy 1,000 followers. That's gonna cost us $7.50. That's a lot more than the $3 that we get for SEO Clerks. Alright, so I hope that you see what we're gonna do here. So what you need to do is that you have to create a service like this yourself. You're gonna set up a page with eBay. You're gonna open a merchant account or whatever it's called. You're gonna open a store in eBay. You're gonna sell followers exactly like this guy is doing. He's selling them for $7.50, and probably he is also getting his followers from SEO Clerks, maybe from Fiverr, maybe from all different sites, but this is called digital arbitrage. You know that you can get 1,000 followers for just $3, and you know that you can sell it for $7.50. So you make about $3.50 every time you sell this gig. And it doesn't stop there. Once you have created a Twitter follower or Twitter likes or Twitter retweet, as you can see, you can sell a lot of different stuff. You can open a store for Pinterest, and then you can open a store for Instagram, and then you can open a store maybe for YouTube. Like you can see this, like YouTube subscribers. I don't like this, as I said, but if you really need money very quickly, you can start selling YouTube subscribers. It also says that you have Telegram. Let's see if they have Telegram right here. So it looks like you can get 200 high quality Telegram members to channels for just $5 or $4, I mean. And as you can see right here, it costs $20. So that means 4 times 5, which is $20. So basically you're not going to make much on this unless you find a cheaper gig. However, this is the strategy. This is the strategy that you have to go with. You can do this digital arbitrage trick and just literally copy and paste your way to making a lot of money through SEO Clerks and also through eBay. You can also start a gig on Fiverr. I probably think that Fiverr is a lot cheaper, but let's see, Twitter followers right here. Let's search by best selling. Yeah, it looks like Fiverr is shutting down a lot of the people that are selling these services and selling followers and stuff like that, because this is kind of in the gray zone. You know, a lot of people don't want to sell followers and Instagram followers and Twitter followers and stuff like that. And Fiverr, it looks like they're cracking down on this, which is a good thing, I guess. However, SEO Clerks is still up. eBay is still selling Telegram members, Twitter followers, Instagram followers. So that's going to be today's method. I hope you really enjoyed this. This is really damn simple, and anyone can do this. Literally, if you're watching this video right now, start making a eBay account and start selling followers, start selling Instagram likes, retweets. You can even do SoundCloud followers. You just really have to look at like backlinks you can sell through this digital arbitrage trick. There's really no limit to what you can sell with doing a digital arbitrage, as long as you stay in the positive and that you make money with all the transactions that you get through eBay. But that's gonna be today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the best way to make money online for free right below this video. Don't forget to check out the best way to make money online, my strategy, right below this video. You get it completely for free. Just click the link down in the description. Also, I have a paid product that you can check out, which is called Tube Takeoff Academy, where I show you how to grow on YouTube and make your channel go literally just take off. So that's gonna be today's video. Don't forget to subscribe below and join the Freedom family by taking that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.